Ladies and gentlemen, today is July 9th, and we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. As you can see, we're having the market is struggling to push through here because we are running into resistance. We can draw a trend line from here, connect these lines here, and you can also connect these two bars here. For the market to go up, it must break this triangle, retest it, and go up. If it's not able to break that triangle, then we expect this market to come to test this level before, if we have a good economy news, go up. If the coronavirus situation continues to trouble this market and shake investor sentiment and confidence, I won't be surprised if in the next 2 days the market move down here to this level. But if you get good economy news and this level is broken and retested, then our next level is this particular area. Happy trading. I hope it helps. See you next time.